you ready for this video? We're going to do the HT23 and the HT35 with our soft wash packet. It's our basic soft wash electric sprayer packet. There's some advantages to that in that it's inexpensive, easy to repair, but you still got tons of power, and they still spray 35-40 feet easy, right, Chris?
Yep.
If not that, I got my nice hat from our guys that make our reels, and do a quick video, so we'll go over these. So this is our HT23. Got to get them right. Our HT23, both units feature the TSF pump by General. Look it up. Best pump made, fully belt driven on these units, and it's got our exclusive gauges and controls here, which is really nice. They're both electric powered, 115 volt electric powered burners. And I've said this in the past, that really creates a great circuit. 12 volt units are good, and they've come a long ways. 20 years ago when I don't know if I was making videos back then, but 20 years ago the 12 volts weren't good. They've come a long ways, but still for industrial duty you want a 115 volt burner system. So that's on these units, it's belt driven generator. So the burner's got 115 volts, and that just creates, you can put a bigger burner on it, so you get a lot more heat. So for 2020s here, we're there. We're still staying with the same burner design, same overall footprint. It's a winner. It's just really held up super well. Thanks for the guys in Qatar that have been buying over the Army bases. We've shipped them pretty much throughout the world, and they're holding up fabulous. The HT23 is more fuel efficient than the 35, but the 35 puts out a lot more gallon per minute. And I like thinking about gallon per minute is how fast you can wash, not the PSI. So gallon per minute is almost like torque on a motor versus horsepower. It's torque that wins the battle. Okay, so just a quick walk around. You got your antifreeze detergent tanks, 330 gallon tank. You can put your signage right here. Fast water dump. Our super dirty surface cleaner. Kind of rained before we came out here. And then back here's the soft wash system. This one's still strapped up, ready to ship out. I'll go through the other one. Really a unique design in how we're doing this. We get this part built for us and we put it on. We could build them in-house, but we stay pretty busy. But we let people stay at what they're really good at, and then we put it all together, the package. It's got a 35 gallon horizontal leg tank on there, and it's got the freshwater rinse. You can come on over and show that over here. It's got the freshwater rinse right here, so you can flip the valve from the tank to your tank if you're mixing your product in here in this tank. Generally speaking, you know, that'll be for the you can spray anything you want. So I have some guys doing the acid wash for semi-trailers, and the others are doing the house wash with the bleach, or SH if you want to call it that. Concentrations you can pre-mix 35 gallons, keep 5 gallons of concentrate with you, let's just say, and you could mix up, or 10 gallons for the day, depending on how busy you are. You can always pre-mix your solution right there. Walking around, we've got the hose reel stacked right here, reinforced on, premium German valves, drawn off, 6,000 PSI hoses. Here's your 115 burner on the power plant, large battery box. And this is my passion, is you got to be able to service these, right? So, because you definitely are going to have to change the oil filters and fuel filters, and we go through that in class. We like to tell people, look, you can buy a unit anywhere. They're popping up all over on the internet, but who's going to train you? Who's got the background? And nobody's got equipment set up like this that we've seen yet for not an unreasonable price, right? I'll quickly go over the 35 horse power. What a beast. Look these motors up. They're made by Toyota here in the US. 35 horsepower. It's got tons and tons of torque. We just love that motor. We use them on our jet side too. Kind of give an endorsement there for our jet side. Best unloader in the business. Again, super large pump. We go more gallon per minute, a lower PSI on the 35 horsepower. But if you truly need to run, two guns, want tons of power with each gun, this bad boy will do it. The 23 will do it, but got to remember, it's lower gallon per minute. You know, you're roughly just a little over 3 gallon per minute for each wand, and that's not real super powerful. Not bad, but not super. Where this one, you're going to run close to 4.5 gallon per minute on each gun. So this one's like 2 pressure washers in one. Gun holders, again, back here. Same setup. Got the soft wash package on the back corner. Gun holder. Just a clean setup. It's easy to service because you will have to service these eventually. And we appreciate you taking a minute to take a look at our soft wash systems. The other option on these is a gas engine rig. I don't have those built right now, but we're working on them. If you want a real powerful, super high flow, small gas engine to run the soft wash system, let us know. We can do that as an option. Take care. Thank you.